Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the student rank calculation system. So you have entered the student name, which is Ravi. Enter student marks 56, 78, 45. Click OK button. Here the student name Ravi has been displayed successfully. Total marks, these 3 marks are calculated and displayed total marks. Average, the rank should be displayed over X. Okay. So when you calculate the student average, there should be the condition. If the average is more than 90, rank should be A. More than 80, rank should be B. More than 70, C. Right, that's how the rank could be calculated, right? So if it is clear, again I'm going to do it as John. Enter the marks 89, 89, 90. Now you can see the B, because the range is average is 89, because B more than 90 only rank should be. So how to do the system step by step we'll teach. All right, so first what you're going to do is I'm going to go to, if you are not installed the NetBeans IDE latest version, you have to install them. Click new project. Here you have to select the Java with and Java. Next, for this click create main class, you uncheck it. You have to give here ranks, Java ranks, student rank calculator, something else. Right, this is your project. So here this project has been created. You can see here. So here I'm going to, this is a project. So here we have to source package. You have select the default package. I'm going to right click new JFrame form. Here write student rank calculator. Hit finish button. You have to increase the size a little bit bigger like this. Yeah, I'm going to drag one panel over here. This panel I'm going to name it as, right click new project new. So here you have to background color I'm going to give as black. Okay, so here I'm going to give the label, which is a student rank calculation. Increases font little bit bigger. Select this one, right click properties. You have to select the font family. Font size little bit bigger, 36. Right like this. Rank calculator. Click on this. Right click properties. Foreground color, select as white. Click OK. Close it. Right. Now what I'm going to say, I'm going to drag another panel. Select this panel, right click properties, border, bevel border. This one, drag one label. This one should have student name. Copy this, paste it. This one student marks. Marks one. Copy, control C to copy, control V to paste. Get another one. Marks two. Control C to copy, control V to paste below. This is marks three. Now I'm going to set the text field. This one student name. Right click edit text. Backspace to remove the existence. Select again. Right click. Change variable txt. name, select, right click, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one takes a name, this is a marks txt m1, which is a marks 1. Control C to copy, control V to paste here, get another copy, this is a marks 2 m2. Select control C to copy, control V to paste, get another copy, this is a marks 3. Select this one, txt m3. Right. So these are the things. Right. Now what you are going to do is select all the shift key down and select these all the things. Right click properties, ball with 40. Right. Now here I am going to drag one text table. I need 2 buttons. This one is okay. Another one is control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one is clear. Right. Now select this table content. So go to the table content. You have to column. You have to first one student name. Second one total. Third one average. Fourth one rank. That would be the column. After right click properties. Right click table content. You have to row. Default row you have to remove it. Select this one and remove it. Default row you have to remove it. All the remove it. Right. Perfect. Now we have to write the code. Double click on the OK button. First I'm going to, when you click the button, what happens is you have to first int marks 1 m2 m3 m3 total. We have to declare 4 integer variables. We have to assign the each text boxes field. So integer teacher dot pass int. So we have to convert them. What is the text box? txt m1 dot get text. That's it. Copy this and paste it below. Second one, third one should be 3. Total, you have got a dot equal m1 plus m2 plus m3. Right. So we have to calculate the total. In order to calculate total, right? Total. Okay. Right. Total. Right. So total we have to do what I want. What is the thing is here? We have to do right here. Right. First, we have a. You can see we have a J table. This J table we have to add the model. So you write it here. Default model. Default model. We have to create this class. This class you have to add this class. Okay. This is reside on the import javax swing under the swing packet default model. This model we have to import it in order to work with the J model. Right. Right. So now what I'm going to do is we have this model. You have to write it over here. This you have to get them. This model you have to write like this. You have to write here. You have to write this model object you have called here equal default model J table. J table means this J table. First name J table 1. Right. So model. First one is the student name. So student name you have to write this student name also the what's the text box txt name. So that's also you have to write string. This is string data type name equal txt name dot get text, because this is not a, we don't need to convert because this is a string. integer value only you have to convert them, right? After that, we have to create the another thing which is a double, because this is the double data type average. Write it here. You write when you calculate the average, avg equal dot divide by 3, because what's the total you are getting here? This total we are divided by number of subjects. What are the number of subjects? Means there are 3 types subjects. We have divided by 3. After that, we have to, average should be coming here. After that, we have to calculate the rank. Rank calculation, they are between the condition. Here, you can see here, you have to create the variable string rank. Okay, right? If the average is greater than 90, rank should be A. If the ID is more than 80, B. If it is 70, C. If it is 60, D. Below 60, we have a F. Based on the range, we have to calculate the average. Okay, this is average. Based on the average, we have to calculate the rank. Okay, so here we have to when you click add button, whatever is all things are calculated and add this model. This model mean the first model here, model row object mean first row, second row, third row, fourth row. We have tried it first row, second row, third row, fourth row. Now if you execute the program and see what would be here. So here this is not actual look and feel of the application of Java. Select this one, frame, right click here, code generate center. Again, we have to go to the source code, Control F, here UI design, UI, the default come as Nippers, you have to change it as matter look. Now we have open and the application, here is a look and feel of the application. Here student name Ravi, marks 54, 65, 5, click OK button, here it should be there. It's working. Now I am going to click the clear button. Here also we have to clear once we add the record. So how to clear? Txt name dot set text we have to clear. After that, m1 dot clear, m2 dot clear, m3 dot clear. After that, clear. Cursor should be focused on get text, requires focusing, get name dot requires focus. Let's run the application check. Raghu, marks 45, 5, click register, clear. Again, John, mark 65. It's working here. It's working successfully. So here the simple prompt here we have to right. It's working perfectly. Right, this is how you have make the rank calculation system. You have to do the system. Okay, I hope you can understand the code. This all I provide you. Thank you for watching.